Hi, it's me Hesha, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 super cool and easy masks that you can make at home. These masks are not just refreshing, but they're going to actually make sure that your skin is cool and hydrated this summer. Let's get started. So this very first mask that I'm going to be making is by using powdered aloe vera. You could also use aloe vera gel if you don't have powdered aloe vera, and a little bit of honey and rose water. It's extremely refreshing and hydrating, and it also soothes out your skin in the scorching heat. Let's start. This second mask is like a 2-in-1 because it's also like an exfoliator. I'm going to be using some chilled yogurt because it's going to be super cooling and refreshing on the face with some crushed aloe vera again. Now this third mask has green tea, which is extremely beneficial for skin, and with that I'm going to be using some aloe vera juice and cucumber juice. That's going to be perfect to cool down your skin burns and tans this summer. I'm feeling super refreshed after applying all these masks, and I hope that you guys too feel equally fresh once you've tried these out. If you have a favorite, make sure you pick one and let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. See you next time.